Wings are one of the most popular dishes brought to any Super Bowl party. So today, I'm gonna show y'all how I make my spicy Chipotle wings. But the twist is, we're gonna make them using an air fryer. So they'll be healthier, they're gonna be really spicy, and they're gonna be full of flavor. Okay, so you're definitely gonna need chicken wings. It's really your choice if you want to butcher them and separate the wing from the leg or the drum, whatever. I'm not doing all that. Simply Lou, we keep it simple around here. And I've got some cloves of garlic, some cilantro, chipotle peppers, some tomato paste, and salt and pepper to taste. And basically what we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna put my chipotle peppers, my garlic, my cilantro, and my tomato paste into my food processor and turn it into a paste. And then I'm actually just gonna brush it onto my wings. And you don't want your wings to be too wet. So what I did, I actually did marinate my wings overnight. You can just buy a basic marinade at the store just to kind of make sure it had a little bit more flavor. And then you wanna pat them dry before you put them in your air fryer. But once we get the paste on, we're gonna brush our wings front and back with the paste, and then we'll kick them into our air fryer. And I'll show y'all how to do that once we get there. But the air fryer is really simple. You just follow the instructions. So we'll cook them for about 10 minutes and then we'll flip them and put them back in. All right guys, so this is my handy dandy air fryer. And we're gonna be using this to cook the wings today. So I've got my wings brushed front and back. And so what you wanna do, I'm just gonna turn this bad boy on, and I'm gonna change the setting to 375. I'm gonna put my timer on for 10 minutes. All right. So this is real easy to use. You just open it, all the compartments are in there. I've got my first batch ready to go. You don't wanna overcrowd your air fryer. You wanna put skin side up. Putting skin side up. And you can play Tetris with it. And then once they're in, I'm actually gonna brush the top just a little bit more. So you want that skin, it's gonna get nice and crispy. So you want it to have all the flavor. Y'all know my favorite phrase, be generous. I'm just gonna close my air fryer. All right, and then you'll push this middle button and it'll get started, and then we'll be back in 10 minutes to flip them over. All right guys, so the timer just went off, so let's open this bad boy. Those look amazing. All right, so time to flip it. And what I do love about this air fryer is it actually catches like any fat drippings, which is really nice. All right, we're gonna close this, we're gonna put it back in. We're actually gonna turn the temperature down to 350 for my timer. We're gonna go 8 minutes instead of 10. All right, we'll let it cook. All right, so I have my second batch in here and it just finished. Take them out. These look divine, crispy, amazing. And I have my friend Enoch here with me. He's gonna try these wings.
I'm the lucky one today.
All right. I'm gonna get them all on one plate. All right. Actually, here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. This one. All right, guys. Let's see how these air fried wings came out. Get a little messy. Because I didn't cut out. All right.
Oh God. You will be the hit of the Super Bowl party.
You will be the hit.
The hit
of the Super Bowl party. Never heard it from him. Not from me. They're so good. They have a kick of heat. They're so flavorful. They actually got pretty crispy in the air fryer. Oh my gosh, amazing, amazing. Guys, you need to give this recipe a try. Even if you don't have an air fryer, fry them regularly or bake them. But this is good. That Chipotle is everything. So make sure if y'all like this video to go ahead and like and subscribe. Of course, check the description box for the recipe, and we'll see y'all next time. Happy Super Bowl Sunday!